So the next one we're going to talk about is effect processing. All right. Effect processing in the context of audio refers to manipulation and alteration of sound signals using electronic devices or softwares to achieve the desired sonic output. Okay, these effects can enhance, modify, or create new sounds, contributing to the creative and artistic aspect of music production, live performances, and other audio applications. There are various types of audio effects, each serving a specific purpose. Here are some common ones. So one, we have reverb. Reverb is commonly used in the studio. Okay, so function stimulates the natural reverberation of sound in different spaces, example rooms or halls. So use add a sense of space and depth to sounds, making them sound more natural or creating unique atmosphere. That's the use. That's the reason why we use them, to create more natural sound or creating unique atmosphere. Number two, delay. Now the function of delay replicates a delayed version of the original sound. So use create echoes, rhythmic patterns, or spatial effects. Short delays can thicken a sound, while longer delays can create rhythmic patterns. Okay, so number three, we have chorus. Function modifies the sound by creating multiple copies of it, each with a slight variation in pitch and time. Okay, so we have the use. Add a sense of thickness and width to sounds often used with guitars, keyboards, and vocals. Number four, flanger. Function similar to chorus but typically involves shorter delay times and more pronounced modulation. Okay, they use create a sweeping jet plane effect and is often used with guitars and synthesizers. Number five, phaser. Function modifies the phase relationship between different frequency components of a sound. Use produces a swirling and sweeping of effects commonly used with guitars and synthesizers. Number six, equalization, EQ. Function adjusts the balance of frequencies in a sound. Use shapes the tonal characteristics of individual sounds or entire mix by boosting or cutting specific frequency ranges. Number seven, compression. Function controls the dynamic range of a sound by reducing the volume of loud parts and boosting softer parts. Use evens out the volume of a performance, adds sustain to instruments, and can be used for creative effects. Distortion or overdrive. Function introduces harmonic content and clipping to a sound, stimulating the effect of overloading analog circuits. Use add grit, warmth, or aggression to guitar tones and other instruments. Number nine, pitch shift. Function alters the pitch of a sound up or down. Use creates harmony, detuning, or special effects often used with vocals and instruments. Number 10, modulation effects. Markdown copy mode. Function includes effects like tremolo, vibrato, and rotary speaker simulation, and it uses adds movement and modulation to the sound, enhancing expressiveness. Okay, so 11, filtering. Okay, so we have the function to be alters the frequency content of a sound by emphasizing or attenuating specific frequency ranges. Uses creates tonal changes and can be used for creative sound shaping. Wow. And the functions are, the function modifies the frequency response of a signal dynamically. Often used with guitars, providing a vowel-like or expressive sound. Okay, so these effects can be applied individually or in combination to achieve a wide range of sonic possibilities. In modern music production, digital audio workstation, that's the DAWs, and hardware processors often offer a vast array of effects, allowing producers and musicians to experiment with different sounds and textures. The choice and combination of effects contributes significantly to the overall character and emotional impact of the music.